Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So right now it's about 7:57 right now. We have about less than 3 minutes for the Palace skateboard drop. So there are some items pretty good, but it's kind of pricey. So we cannot get in right now because cannot click fast enough to click on the new tab. Those are the old items. Anyway, we're just gonna wait about less than 3 minutes right now, and then we're gonna go check out the prices real quick and then see what we could cop. All right, so just be patient, and we'll be back around like toward the 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So I'm gonna go onto the other computer right now and then get ready. So welcome back guys. So let's go to the web shop real quick. Right now it's about 8:10. And the one that I try to get the hood is also out. Let's go ahead and then go through the today's price and drop list. This is the layer jacket, orange color. You got the traditional Palace triangle right here on the back, and also on the front. Got the left and right zip up pocket, and there's a zipper for the front, and then that's a Palace for the front near the chest area on the left hand side. And this is the ham, and that's the zipper for the pockets, and this is a cuff elastic. So it is $198 for that jacket. Pretty pricey. Let's go through this picture real quick. This is remind me of last week's collaboration with the Oakley purple colorway. And this one is a lime color. Still got some size available. Then you got this CONVERTO shirt, blue. Damn, 118 bucks. This is a button-up shirt, polo shirt. Oh no, just a shirt. I don't know, it's a polo or what. You got the collar on there. Then this is the black color. Oh, so it has an embroidery Palace right there. And I believe that's on the left of the chest area. And you got this basically a short. This is the dark A blue colorway. The short is going for 88 bucks. And on the back you got a Palace label, and then there's a pocket. And you got the left and right hand pockets. And on the bottom it says it has an imprint of the Palace with the blue, black and red accent on there. The yellow one, this one is sold out right now. And then the black one, it is sold out. Summer is coming, so I'm pretty surprised that the purple MARL is not sold out. I guess this is more like a feminine color. Then you got this gray MARL, it is sold out. Also, you got a drawstring core on the inside. And then you have this blue MARL. They still have an extra large left. Let's jump into this. This is the gold stripe polo. This is the black, and this is going for $98. Got the palette print on the, what's that? Wow, on the collar and on the chest area. Wait, am I something wrong? Is it on the collar? So I guess when you flap it up, I guess on the color section. So you got the small, medium, large, and extra large. And this is the white color. Everything except 2XL. And this is the navy color. Everything except 2XL. This is a split handle crew, black color. It's kind of pricey for $138. All the sizes except 2XL. You got this gray MARL. They should at least put like a palette on the back here or something, you know, if they're gonna charge $138 instead of just front of the chest area. That's why nobody's buying it. They rather buy the one with the triangle fur. And this is a setback t-shirt, red color. You got this Palace London on the front of the chest area in the midsection. And then this is the label and then the size. Oh, it is Emborion there. So I believe you have all the sizes available. Yep, except the 2XL. I'm not sure if they even come with the 2XL on this. This is setback, the blue colorway. All the sizes are still there except the 2XL. And this is a teal color. I believe everything except the 2XL. Yep. Nobody's buying this shirt. And then this one is the merge t-shirt, purple color. You got that Palace. Gets just a print on there. This remind me of like a gradient color. Everything except 2XL. And then the blue color. Everything except 2XL. Then you got this red color. Oh, they do come with 2XL. Look at that. So I guess the 2XL was sold out on these two color, the purple and then the blue. Let me check out the green. So the 2XL is sold out. I lagged out on this again. I was trying to get the Sans fur the hood. This one is a sunshine yellow. I didn't know what color to get, but and then I was trying to copy it with the hat, and somehow the hat I believe it was sold out, and then I try to go back and remove or click on some of the hat because I was trying to buy everything together with one shipping. I was gonna grab the blue one, and then one of this hat. So this one, the hood, it is $158. Currently, all the colors are sold out right now. I was shocked because I know this one is gonna be a popular item, but I kind of take too long and try to save money on shipping, and then instead of I lucked out. So if you guys want to check out quickly, you gotta check out right away. Don't worry about the shipping fee. $12 per item. Anything over 70 or 75 bucks, I think. Yeah. So this one was pretty nice, and then but I thought I was gonna go back and get the black one or the yellow color, but by the time it was too late. Because this was the most hype items. This one is the dark egg yellow color. I mean dark egg blue I'm talking about. And then you got this black. I like to wear black because it doesn't get dirty fast and doesn't show that much. So as you can see, this one is basically a zip hood, sunshine yellow. Because this is so boring. On the back is nothing, and people like to have a big design on the back and to represent their brand. And you got this tiny palace, not even a triangle. So people just want to spend $10 more to get the one that stands out more in the public. Oh, I forgot to go back to the size real quick. So the 2XL is sold out. So I guess 2XL is very popular. It seems like every time when I go in there to check out the items, most of the time 2XL are sold out. So if you guys are reseller out there, you guys might want to pick up 2XL. See, again. And then this is the black color. See, 2XL is sold out. $148. Again, 2XL sold out, guys. You got this striped 6-panel burgundy white for $48. Got the Palace label on the back. One size fit all, still available. Then you have this navy white color. I'm not sure they try to copy Supreme or what. Why need this rectangular over there? And then you got this black and gray color. I guess that's why it is still available. Nobody want to buy it. Everybody is into that P lettering. And this is the white and orange. Yeah, every time I get in here, this is the high vis 6-panel orange color. Every time I go in here, and then about when they drop the P hat, it always sold out, never fail. You got this is a nice embroidery right here. And this hat is same price as the one that on the previous. Then you got this white color with the silver P. I should have copped this one. I don't hesitate. This is the yellow one with the letter P. And then you got the traditional black color with the letter P, silver color. And you got this Palace last sock, white color. Damn, $16. Got a small, medium size, and large and extra large. A pair of socks, $16. I'm not sure if that's good price or what. And then this is the black color. I could go to Ross and buy the one Reeboks for $6.99, $7.99 for 6 pair or 5 pair. So the last one, this is the bone badge. It is currently sold out. This is $8. So it has like a bone made up to the triangle and has a palace. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like today's video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification. And share this with your friend, family on social media. If they are looking to palace apparels, they need to compare to retail versus resale price. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video guys. Like always, peace.